Besides, as most large truck owners will tell you, the key to parking lot maneuverability in a vehicle this size is to learn to use those large side mirrors and back into the space. Master that and you can park this big rascal just about anywhere you want. And make no mistake, it is big.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota Department of Public Safety. This is not a test. This is not a test. Residents receiving this message are in the immediate evacuation zone of the Xcel Energy Monticello Nuclear Generating Station. An evacuation order has been declared for residents in evacuation zones 1 and 2 due to the possible nuclear runaway of Reactor 3. Xcel Energy has detected and controlled thermal reaction within the chambers of Reactor 3. To avoid possible exposure to radioactive materials, your evacuation is mandatory. Failure to evacuate could result in exposure to deadly radioactive materials. Avoid traveling southbound to remain away from Prairie Island Nuclear Generating Plant in the event that control at that facility is also compromised. Make sure to bring necessary supplies with you during your evacuation. If you require assistance in evacuating your home, please reach out to your family members or call 911 for medical transport assistance. Warning sirens will continue to sound in the evacuation area until it is safe to return. Do not return to your home until it is declared safe to do so by proper authorities. For more information, visit www.xcelenergy.com/M emergency.
Behemoths to 60 and a prop 10